Drop it, motherfucker! Jesus, Rec. I almost shot you in the face again. You made it back. Tombstone's still alive.
Son of a bitch. We thought you were dead, buddy.
Yeah, man. Damn, after you guys left me...
Where's Jinjie? Is he okay?
You're still around. It's cool. And yes, Jinjie's safe. I'll take you to him.
Sergeant Bukowski, what about the refugees?
Marines, you stay with them. I gotta get Tombstone to Med Bay.
On your lead, Sergeant. All clear!
Sir, we are on our way. Tombstone is en route.
All right, make it fast.
We gotta get him out of here.
Easy. You have been unconscious for several days. You shouldn't even be speaking.
My voice is my weapon. If I am silent, I am nothing.
我让你失望了，对不起。
不慌，你永远是我的后盾。They come for me. Chang's men.
Look, take this. We need to get you out of
I
here.
have put down my guns, Captain. My brothers will not kill me.
Maybe I didn't make myself clear. Your brothers think you're already dead. You're a target, like us. An assignment. Search and destroy.
And they have to see me. Know that I still breathe. They will forget their mission and lay down their arms.
So, we let him in and see what happens?
Yes.
That was a joke. Irish Wrecker, cover to the door.
I am serious. If we fight, it is over. I will open the door
I
myself.
can't let you do that. Now you listen to me. They'll kill you the second they get through. That door's the only thing keeping you alive.
With such an extreme trauma, he shouldn't even be up. I mean, this is the concussion talking.
In this room, I am invisible. I am dead already. We all are. If I cannot show my face, if I cannot speak to my brothers without fear, then I have lost. I need to know where I stand. Open the door, Sergeant.
Easy!
喂，兄弟，你被骗了。如果你用力听，我会告诉你的事情。
Don't do it. Don't fucking do it.
这家伙没有意思。金姐活了，把枪放下。
Stand down.
金姐活了，我们要告诉其他人，金姐活了。哎，这是野火，对，金姐活了，还在地团上面。是真的，金姐活了，金姐活了。
The son of a bitch did it.
But what now? There's still a lot of Chinese soldiers out there.
They know it's him. They'll get the word.
是脏的，命里。我们在北面有个船，在桥旁边。
It's Chang. They have a warship north of us.
That son of a bitch, he's gonna bury the truth and everyone with it.
Can we strike it?
We got nothing left.
Not even C4?
No shortage of C4, but what the hell are we gonna do with that?
Give me a rib and all the goddamn C4 you got left.
You can't be serious, Irish.
We are. Absolutely, sir.
All right, Pack. Show him.
Ricker, Irish, come with me. Hannah, are you sure about this?
金钱，你身体健康。
Godspeed.
Listen up. I want a rib loaded with C4, hooked up and ready to go now. Hurry it up. We're on our way. That was amazing. Is he always like that?
On his good days.
You sure you're not married to him? Hey, Hannah. Ever wish things could be different?
Sure, of course I do. But until they are, gotta keep fighting.
You all right with me?
This is for you, Sergeant.
You're not coming back?
You're staying alive. That's an order.
We'll live. You keep the Valkyrie afloat till we get back.
Hoorah!
Motherfucker! God, this shit like another bad fucking idea! What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Son of a bitch!
Almost there!
Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. We're close to our target point. Over.
This is Fortress. That fucking ship is hammering us. So if you can, pick up your pace. Over. Fuck that one.
Out.
All right! Here it comes!
Tombstone, come on, this is it! It's our fucking day! Do or die!
Do or fucking die! You okay? We're in their blind spot. Get ready.
Secure.
Irish. Don't worry. They're pretty secure.
Yeah, right.
They're made in Sweden.
Oh, that feels so much better. Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. We're in position and ready to blow shit up. What's your status? Over!
We're almost done for. So send it to hell.
Hannah, hit the switch!
Brad! Something's wrong! There's no connection! Wrecker!
Fuck, give it to me. We gotta go back down.
Okay, well, only one of us needs to go. Wrecker, do you have another one of those C4 charges? Good, give it to me.
You are not risking your life, Hannah. I'm Irish, remember? The lucky one. Give it to me, Wrecker.
Wrecker, I risk my life for my country every day. Give me the charge.
Your country needs you alive, Hannah. You are not going down, period. Come on, Wrecker. When the detonator goes green, you push that button, Wrecker.
Irish! Damn it.
It's set and ready to go. Come on, Wrecker, push the button.
The blast could kill him!
God damn it. Tombstone, blow that ship now. Now.
Damn it, Irish! Get out of there! Please don't make us do this!
Save the Valkyrie, Wrecker. Hit the switch, goddammit.
It's him or the Valkyrie! We don't have a choice! We did what we had to do, Wrecker. His life was not in vain.
Fortress, this is Bloodhound. Tombstone's on board. We're bringing them back. All are accounted for. One of them is missing in action, sir. Nothing we can do. We have to pull out immediately. Shit. Understood. I'll get my Marines back home.
I used to love going into the mountains. Such peace, simplicity.
Yeah, I had an uncle. Uncle Jay.
He showed me everything there was to know about going into the backcountry.
I thought you were a city boy.
Hell yeah, through and through. My uncle, he wasn't from the city.